Good morning, guys. Are you guys able to hear me? Can someone respond in the chat? Yeah, thanks. So let's get started, guys. Today we are going to look at the merge sort. So this is a two sessions. The first session we'll look at some part what is about two-way merging, and then the second session continuation like divide conquer algorithm. Okay. So without any delay, let's get started. Those who do not know me, I'm Karthik. Today I'm going to facilitate this session. I've been with uh, Ashok IT from past 2 years, and I've proficient in teaching core Java, advanced Java, threads, collections, Java 8, 9, 11, data structures and algorithm, and design patterns. So these are the things that I taught in the Ashok IT from past 2 years. Now let's get started. So merge sort. So whenever you go for interviews, can I say that this would be one of the important thing that will be asked, like, can you write an algorithm for merge sort, or can you write a code for merge sort, or explain how the merge sort is working? Correct. So have you? Does anyone has faced this question, guys? Let's make it as an interactive session instead of I only speak. Right. So let us understand what is a merge sort. So merge sort works on the principle of two-way merging. Let's try. Merge sort works on the principle of two-way merging and divide conquer. Because these are the two important things. Merge sort works on the principle of two-way merging and divide conquer algorithm. Now let's see what is two-way merging. So first, in order to understand the merge sort, you need to know what is two-way merging. Okay, let me explain that. Now let me ask one question before explaining. So this is a question, whatever the question that I'm going to ask you now, that is a question that is asked in Microsoft and open text in the interviews. Now, assume that I have two arrays sorted. Okay. Now let's write this is 3, 7, 9, 10, 15. Can someone say that is it sorted? This is the array A.
Started.
Yeah. Now let us take another array also. 1, 5, 8, 11, 17. Okay. And let's add some more elements. 20 and 22. So can I say the array B is also sorted?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the question that is asked in the interview is this the question that is asked in the Microsoft and OpenText and many product-based companies. The question is here, the given two sorted arrays, write a program to merge two sorted arrays, and the resultant array should be sorted. Okay. Now, the question that is asked in the interview is, given two sorted arrays, write a program to merge two sorted arrays, and the resultant array should be sorted. So merging means I want to combine. Now, so what they are telling, after merging, it should be sorted again. That means element C, what is the size of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the size of B? 7.
7.
So total elements in the C should be
12.
7 plus 5, 12. Correct. And how the element should look like? It should be in a sorted. That means
1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 17, 20, 22.
Yeah, there is some background noise. Whoever is not speaking, please go on mute. Okay, this is not needed. Yeah, this is my resultant array, correct? Now how do I do this? Does anyone has any question? How can I do this? Any ideas? If you understand this, half of the merge sort you understand. You don't need to butify. First of all, do you guys understand the program question?
Yes, Karthik.
Yeah. Okay. Now let us find any thoughts on how to do the solution. Now let me explain that.
Okay.
Now the given question is write a program to merge two sorted arrays and the resultant array should be sorted. Now the first condition you need to understand, the given arrays are sorted. Now, and the resultant array should also be sorted. Now what should I do? Now for example, if I say, so let us take, I'll take this size as a M. A array size as M, B array size as N. And I will take one pointer for A, I, and B, I will take a pointer called J. A pointer is nothing but it's a variable. I just wanted to increment it. Now what I will do is first I will compare. Let me compare these two. Out of these two, which is smaller?
K of 0.
So
B1.
So B1, see, don't worry about the programming. We'll come to the programming later. 3 and 1, which is smaller? 1. So 1, I will move into the resultant array. So resultant array, I will take a variable called K. So guys, there is some background noise. Make sure that there is no background noise and then you can speak, please. Okay. So for resultant array, I took a variable called K. Now K, I will start with 0. Now first I am starting with comparing A and B, first elements. Now out of these 3 and 1, whichever is smaller, that I will, whenever I am doing the comparison, whichever is smaller, I will move it, that element to the resultant array and I will increment that. See, currently these are 0th index. 3 and 1 I compare. So 1 I moved it to resultant array, done. Now I will go, what I will do? So I will come down. Since I have moved it, since I have moved the 1 to the resultant array, I'll come down. Now I will compare 3 and 5. Now, when I say resultant array should be sorted means it should be ascending order, correct? So that's the reason whichever is smaller, I'm moving. Now, 3 and 5, which is smaller? 3. Now let's move 3. Done. So since I'm moving 3, this array will come down. Now, what is the element I need to compare? 7 and 5. Which is smaller? 5. Let's move 5. Now let's come down here. It will come to 8. Now 7 and 8, which is smaller? 7. Now let's move 7 here. Done. And then this will come down. Now 9 and 8, which is smaller? 8. 8 will come down. 8 will come added here and you will come down here. Okay. Now 9 and 11 you need to compare. Correct? 9 and 11, which is smaller? 9. It will come. Now you will come down here. So 10, 11 will be say as is, because whichever the smaller element that you are moving and you are increasing the size. Now 10, 9, 11, which is smaller? 10, you will move. And again, you will come down. 59, 11, which is smaller? 11. So 11 will come here. And it will become 17. Now let's remove this. Yeah. 17 and 15, which is smaller? 15. 15 has come down. Done. Now, do I have any elements here to go? No, nothing. So whatever the leftover elements, 17, 20, 22. The given array is sorted. So just copy all these 17, 20, 22 here. So this itself is a program, though it looks very hard, but actually it is very easy. So this is a two-way merging. Then what are you doing first of all? So you are comparing each element by element. Whichever is smaller, that you are moving it to the resultant array. Okay. So I'll come to the programming, how to write, but at least do you guys have the idea now? Does the intent of this program understood for everyone?
Yes, Karthik, but actually one question I have.
Yeah.
So in array B, actually, the last elements, I'm talking about the last 3 elements, 17, 20, 22. It's actually just, these are actually not in order. Suppose, let's say we have 7.
No, that is a question, right? write a program to merge two sorted arrays. What is the problem? In the problem itself, they are giving you the sorted arrays, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that is the problem.
Thank you.
Okay. So that's the reason I have keep on saying that the given question is two sorted arrays. See, if it is not sorted, that's a different. You have to use a sorting algorithm. But what I am trying to understand a sorting algorithm itself, correct?
Yes.
So the given question is containing the sorted arrays. So 17, 20, 22 will be in an order only.
I missed the point. Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah. So hope you understand the concept here. I'll convert this into a programming little later. But in order to do this, what we need to do, each and every element you need to compare. So whichever is smaller, you will move it to the resultant array. Whichever you are moving, that side you go to the next element and then compare, correct? Yeah. Now let me ask you the question. Now we have done with the two arrays. Now let me give you three arrays. Now A, B, C. Can I say that A, B, C, all these three arrays are sorted arrays?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, can they ask, see, when they are asking you to write a program to merge two sorted arrays, can they ask, write a program to merge three sorted arrays also? It is possible,
Yes.
correct? Now, what is the size here? 4, 4, 4. The resultant array should have 12. Now, if I have to do same thing, what should I do? Can I say I have to compare all these three first? Let me take these three, correct? Out of this, which is smaller? 1. So can I say I will move 1 here? Now, whichever I moved, see, 1 is 1, you have moved it to the resultant array. So then you need to go to the next element here, correct? 2. Now that means what I will do? 285. Sorry. 285. Which is smaller? 2. Let's move 2. 385. Which is smaller? 3. Move. Now again 485. Which is smaller? 4. You moved it. Okay. Done. Now, do you have any other elements here? No. Then what is the thing you need to compare these two? 8 and 5, which is smaller? 5. Then can I say I have to go to down? 8 and 7, 7. Now 8 and 11, 8. That means now I will go down here. 9 and 11, 9. Then again down here, 9 and 11, 10 and 11, 10. Now 13 and 11. Can I say 11? And then 13 and 12. Because here 11 means I moved it, so I will do this one. 12. Done. So do you have any other elements? Here no elements, here no elements. What is left out? 13. You add it as is. Can I say my resultant array is sorted now? So here, whenever you are writing a condition, if it is a two arrays, can I say you will write if else? If one condition, else another condition. Now if I have to compare these three, what you need to write? You have to write if, and then else. Okay. Now instead of 3 arrays, for example, let me give you 10 arrays. Or else 6 arrays. In order for you to write comparison, how many if blocks you need to write if and else? There are many. Am I right?
Yeah.
So whenever you are writing that many if else conditions, is there a problem of getting confused or implementing wrongly?
Yeah.
So this is one way of doing it. If you are writing consciously, very good, that's fine. But instead of implementing like this, so here, see, if you are merging two arrays, that is called two-way merging. Okay. If you are merging 3 arrays, that is called three-way merging. Okay. If you are merging m arrays, that is called m-way merging. Okay. So, but the problem is two-way merging is easy because you have only if and else condition. But whenever you are trying to do three-way merging or four-way merging or m-way merging, you have to write a lot of if and else condition, which is a error-prone code. So instead, what we can do, whatever the number of arrays I can give, They can give you 3 arrays, 4 arrays, 5 arrays, 10 arrays, 100 arrays, whatever the number of arrays they are giving. I don't want to, I wanted always to implement the two-way merging. Two-way merging means only two arrays I will compare. See, let's look at here. Now 3 arrays are given, correct? Now what I will do, I don't do comparison of all these 3. First I will take these 2. If I see this size is 4, this size is 4. Can I apply the two-way merging on top of these 2 arrays? Can I applying the two-way merging means can I compare these 2 elements? So I will get, see, 1 and 8. If I compare 1, 2 and 8, 2, 3 and 8, 3, 4 and 8, 4. And then remaining elements will come down. 8, 9, 10, 13. 8, 9, 10, 13. So on top of these 2 arrays, if I apply the two-way merging, I will get a resultant array called D. Now, how many arrays are there? D array and C array. Can I apply the two-way merging again on this? Yes. Then I will get 1 array, correct? So that means if I am writing a two-way merging code in one method, I can pass the array dynamically and then I can get it done, right? So that's the beauty of a two-way merging. So here, for example, let me do like this. For example, if they are asking you to, these many arrays are there. If they are asking you to merge, so you don't need to compare all of this. Together, 1 array, together, 1 array, together, 1 array, together, 1 array. Now again, these together, 1 array, these together, another array, and these together, another array, correct? Is it easy?
Yes.
Now here, in order to do this one, so two-way merging, we will write one method called two-way merging. To that method, we will pass 2 arrays, and then it will give you the resultant array. So can I say that code is also, method is also common, dynamically you have to call that method? Am I right? So that's the beauty of a two-way merging. So what is a two-way merging? 2 sorted arrays, if you wanted to merge, that is called two-way merging. If they're asking you to give merge 3 arrays or 4 arrays or 5 arrays or 10 arrays, you can do directly, or the best approach would be whatever may be the number of arrays they wanted to merge. First, apply the two-way merging. See, on top of these 2 arrays, apply the two-way merging, and then you will get a resultant array. That means if the number, see, for example, assume that here there is no, so there might be people might be asking, sir, see here it's an odd number, 2, 4, 6, 7. So whenever there is an odd number, what do? Let's keep it. See, 2, 2, 2. You got 3. Now then let's copy this one here, add it. Now can I say I will do this one here, I will do this one here, and then I will do this one here. So applying the two-way merging would be the better option. So on this concept, does anyone has any questions so far?
No.
Yeah. So those who joined a little late, I just wanted to tell you guys that, so we just started discussing about the merge sort. So merge sort works on the principle of two-way merging and then divide conquer. Now we just started discussing about what is a two-way merging. Two-way merging, in interview, they might be asking a question saying that, write a program to merge 2 sorted arrays and the resultant array should also be a sorted. This is a question that is asked in many companies. Now, so A is 1 array, B is 1 array. How do? We compare the each and every element, whichever is smaller, that will move into the resultant array. So that is called two-way merging, right? Okay. So can we implement the code now? Yes, no? Now let us take A here. Can I say, if you wanted to represent this array in the Java, how do? Can I say int A equal to 3, 7, 9, 10, 15. Am I right? This is one array representation. Now let us do int B equal to 1, 5, 8, 11, 17, 20, 22. This is another array. Now what I will do is, I will take, okay. Now what am I doing, guys? First, whenever I start this logic, what I'm doing, I'm comparing these 2 elements. I'm comparing these 2 elements means what? A of 0, I'm comparing with B of 0. Am I right?
Yeah.
So let's do that. If A of 0 is less than B of 0. If this condition is true, what does it mean? Which element is smaller?
A of 0.
Again,
A of
that's
0.
if this condition is true, which element is smaller?
A of 0.
Okay. I just wanted to cross check again. See what happens in the interview, if they ask you the second time the question, you might be confused and saying the wrong answer. Right? So that's it. Okay. Now here, whichever the element is smaller, what am I doing? I'm putting that into the C, correct? In C, see, out of these two, so here in this scenario, what is the condition? Or let me take this condition. A of 0 greater than B of 0. Is it true in this scenario? 3 greater than 1. Is it true?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now, whenever it is true, which is smaller? You can
1.
do anyways. Okay. See, you can put a greater condition, you can put a lesser condition. Whatever you want, you can do. You have to write the logic accordingly. Okay. Now, A of 0 less than B of 0. Nagalakshmi, there is a background noise from your end. Can you please go on mute? Yeah, thanks. So A of 0 less than B of 0. A of 0 is 3. And then 3 less than 1. Is it true? No. That means, can I say it will go into the else block? Correct. Now, whenever it is going to the else block, which element I need to move it to the resultant array?
Smaller one.
Smaller one means, in this example, in the else block, which element I have to move it to the
1.
Yeah, 1 means array of B, correct?
Arrow.
Now, can I say now at C, at which position I'm pasting this, putting this one? 0th position.
C
Correct?
of 0.
So can I say C of 0 equal to B of 0?
Yeah.
Yes. After that, what I am doing? I'm incrementing, I'm going to the next element, correct? See, since I moved it to 1, I'm comparing 3 and 5. How can I go to the next element? Can I say 0, I have to change it to 1? Yes.
Yeah.
So can I say, instead of hard coding it, so hard coding it, let me take the values as int I equal to 0, j equal to 0. Can I put I and j here? And k equal to 0. C of k equal to B of j. Correct? Done. Now, how can I go to the next element? From 1, I have to go to the next element. Can I say j plus plus? Yes or no? J plus
Yes.
plus. But after doing the logic, you need to, where are you putting 3? In the k C of 1. But currently k is equal to 0. Now, can I say I have to increment the k plus plus also?
Yes.
Done. But now with this code, will it be repeated? The next comparison, will it be repeated for the next comparison? So now next, what I'm doing, what I have to do, 3 less than 5. Will it be repeated in this code? Will it go to the next element? That means A of 0 and B of 1. Will this code continues, or what should I write?
Continue.
Okay, it's a if block. How many times
Outside
the if
the
state?
block, I will be incremented.
Yeah. So how many times the if block will be executed, guys? Only once, correct? If the statement is true, it will go here. If the statement is false, it will go to false, else statement. But now I have to repeat this comparison until the arrays are, any one of the array size is exceeded, correct? So can I say I have to go for a loop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's write a loop. Now I can write a for loop or if, or while, anything. So let's write while. While. Okay. So while, see, till how long you want to repeat this loop? Either you have to come out of the A size or B size, correct? Now, can I say int m equal to A dot length, int n equal to B dot length. Now, can I say I less than or equal to m and j less than or equal to n? Now, if I write this condition, can I say out of these two conditions, if any one fails, can I say this block will be continued? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yeah. So now when I equal to 0, 0 less than, what is the size of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the size of B? 7. So 0 less than 7, 0 less than 5, and then what is the J value? 0 less than 7. Is it true? Yes. A of 0 less than B of 0. 3 less than 1. Is it true? No. It will go to the else part. Done. It has improved. Now again, next, say I plus J plus K plus. Now I value is still 0. Okay. 0 less than 5 true and 1 less than 7 true. Done. A of 0 is nothing but 3. B of 1 is nothing but 5. 3 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. Then which element I have to move in this if block? Can I say C of K equal to A of I? And then I plus K plus. Correct? Are you guys following me? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks. Now let's write this program in the Eclipse and see. And we need to, apart from this, we need to write some more code also. Let us see what is that code. Okay. Now let's create, see, I have opened the Eclipse. I'm just creating a new Java project. I just added a mergesort workshop. Okay. Now let's click on finish. Let's create a program. Let's create a package first. com.ashokit.mergesort. Package name should be small letter. Yeah. Now let's write a main method. Now in this method, first let's declare the two arrays. Int A equal to int B equal to. What are the array values? 3, 7, 9, and 15. 3, 7, 9, 10, 15. Now what are the B values? 1, 5, 8, 11. 1, 5, 8, 11, 17, 20, 22. 20, 22. Okay. Now let us write one method. Public. Let's keep the return type as a void for time being. Two-way merging. So what does the two-way merging method should take? Two arrays, correct? Let us take int A, int B. It is taking two arrays. Now inside this method, what should I do? Now, first of all, the resultant, first let's create int m equal to a dot length. I'm just trying to find out what is the length of A array, what is the length of B array. So why am I doing this one? Because here, if A length is 5, B length is 7, what is the resultant array length, guys? It's nothing but a sum of A length and B length, correct? 7 plus 5. So in order to do that, so that means my array size should be 7 plus 5, right? So first I am trying to get int n equal to B dot length. Done. Now what I need to give, see, after merging, I have to create a resultant array. In the resultant array, I am creating C. What is the C array size? So can I initialize the array without a size, guys? In Java, can I initialize the array without size? No, we cannot, correct? So we have to provide a size. Now, what is the size I have to provide here? M plus n, correct? So that is the reason I have taken the m plus m comma n values. Done. Now I am taking int I equal to 0, comma j equal to 0, comma k equal to 0. Why am I taking this I, j, k values? To iterate over the loops. Okay. Now So first, what I have done condition, if A of I is less than B of J. If this condition is true, which element is smaller? A of I is smaller. Now that means, so if the condition is true means, which element I need to move it to the resultant array? A of I, correct? So can I say C of K equal to A of I? Done. After moving, what am I doing here? See, for example, 3 and 1. See, or else let us take 3 and 5. Which is smaller? 3. I'm moving. Next time, this 5 you will compare with what? 7 or 3? See, once I compare 3 and 5, I can decide that which is smaller. 3 is smaller. 3, I am moving it to the resultant array. After this comparison is done, where should I go? I have to go down. And then I have to compare 5 with 7, correct? So that means whenever I am moving it to the smaller element to the resultant array, how can I go to the next element? By incrementing the value, correct? Now let's do that here. Now what I can say, I can do I++, and then see in the resultant array also, in the resultant array, after moving, so 5 will go into the next position. So I have to do the K++. Done. Now, if the condition is false, which element is the smaller one?
B of J.
B. Now, can I say C of K equal to B of J? Now, can I say I have to increment J also whenever this is coming into the loop? And then K++. Now, if you look at in the if block, I have a K++. In the else block, K++. Now, can I write outside of if and else block instead? Correct? Instead of writing, see, this is a duplicate code, right? Now, what I will do, I'll remove this and I'll keep it here. Will that be fine? Yeah. Now, this is a if and else block, plain if and else block. Now, see, but I have to do this logic to the entire array. What should I do? I have to use a loop, correct? While loop or for loop. So I am writing while. Now, till when I have to use? Till I value is lesser than the length, n value is lesser than the length, correct? I less than m and j less than n. Yeah. So what am I doing? I'm continuing this logic until this is satisfied. Now let us run this program and see. Now let me make a little smaller. Yeah. Now first let us see. I value is 0, j value is 0. Now what is the m value? Let me write here comment. M is nothing but a dot length, which is nothing but 5. N is nothing but 7. Length is 7. Now here 0 less than 5. Sorry, 0 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. And see, and condition means what? Both the conditions to be true. 0 less than 7. Both are true. Then it will go here. A of 0 is nothing but what? A of 0 less than B of 0. What is the values? A of 0 and B of 0 means 3 less than 1. Is it true? No, it will go to the else part. Correct? That means here C of 0, what is the value you are storing? B of J, which is nothing but 1. And then what is the J value incremented? J value will become 1. And K value also will become 1. Now, can I say since while loop is there, what is the, see, J value has become 1. Now, can I say 0 less than 5 is true, 1 less than 7 is true? Yes. Now, A of 0 and B of 1, it will, because J value is changed. What is the value of A of 0? 3. What is the value of B of 1? 5. 3 less than 5, is it true? Yes. Then again, C of 1 equal to, what are you passing? A of I, which is nothing but you are passing 3, correct? And then I++, I value will become 1. Now I will, let me modify here. I equal to 1, comma, J equal to 1 at this point of time. And see, K will be again, K will become 2, correct? So I will become 1, J will become 1, K will become 2. Now, so A of 1 less than 5, is it true? Yes. 1 less than 7, is it true? Yes. A of 1 less than B of 1. A of 1 is what? 7. 7 less than 5, is it true? No. Then which element you are moving? C of 2 equal to B of 1, correct? B of j means B of 1, which is nothing but 5. So you have moved. So j will become 2 and k will become 3. See, j will become 2 and k will become 3. Are you guys following me? Yeah. So guys, if you are not able to speak, you can respond in the chat. Okay. Now, so still a of 1 and b of 2. A of 1 is nothing but what? 7. B of 2 is nothing but what? 8. 7 less than 8. Is this condition true? Yes. Then C of 3 equal to 7 you will move. And then I plus plus. I will become 2 and then K will become 4. So I will become 2 and K will become 4. I is 2 means 2 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. And J is 2 less than 7. True. Now A of 2 and B of 2. A of 2 is nothing but what? 9. And B of 2 is nothing but 8. The condition is false. Here it will go. C of 4 equal to, it will move 8. And then J will become 3 and K will become 5. J will become 3 and K will become 5. Now 2 less than 5 and 3 less than 7. Yes. Now A of 2 and then B of 3. B of 3 means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 11. 9 and 11. So that means C of 5 equal to 9 will go. And I plus plus, I will become 3 and K will become 6. Are you following me, guys? I just wanted to explain there is something. I just wanted to tell you that. Now, 3 less than 5? Yes, true. 3 less than 7? Yes, true. A of 3 less than B of 3. A of 3 value is what? 10. And B of 3 is 11. 10 less than 12. Is it true? Yes. Then 10 will move. And I will become 4. And K will become 7. K will become 7. I will become 4. Now, 4 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. So A of 4 is means what? 15, correct? And B of 3 is nothing but still 11, correct? Which element will go? Then C of 7 equal to 11. And J plus plus means J will become 4, K will become 8. J will become 4 and K will become 8. Now still 4 less than 5 and 4 less than 7. Is it true? Yes. So A of 4 and B of 4. B of 4 is nothing but what? 17. 15 less than 17. Is it true? No. Then C of 8 equal to 15 will go. Correct? Done. Now I will become 5 and then K will become 9. So what is the I value now? 5 and K value 9. Now can you guys look at here? 5 less than 5. Is it true?
False.
If 4 less than 7, it is true. But here, this is false. Now can I say it will come out of the loop? Yes or no? Once it is coming out of, what does it mean? It is coming out of the loop. Can I say it has compared, it has done the comparison of all the elements with the A, correct? Now, after whenever it is coming out of the loop, which elements are there still? See, currently B is at 4. But what is the size of B? 7. That means there are 2 more elements. So see here, whenever I'm comparing here, 15 and 17 I'm comparing. 15 I'm moving. Done. Now, do I have any other elements to compare 17, 20, 22? Do I have any other elements to compare 17, 20, 22 with the A array?
No.
No. So that means whenever this block is coming out, whenever this while loop is false, or whenever the while loop is broken, what does it mean? Either of the arrays size is completed, correct? Either A can be completed or B can be completed. Am I right? Now, once it is completed, what you need to do? Can I say whichever the array that is left out from that position onwards, can I copy the elements to the resultant array directly? Because I don't have any other elements to compare, right? 17, 20, 22, I can copy directly to the C array. Am I right? Now let us see. Let us do how do I do. So currently in this scenario, which array is having the data? B array. Now can I write while j less than n, C of k equal to B of j. and then I will do k plus plus j plus plus. So when this while block will be executed? After the first while is broken, this while block will be executed. Now, since it is broken, now, so what is the elements left out? 4, from J4 onwards. See, 17, 20, 22. Now, I'm not reinitializing the J value is still 4. 4 less than 7. Is it true? Yes. Then see, C of K, I'm moving it to B of J. That means 4 is moved. And then J value will become 5. Then 5 will be moved. Then J value will become 6. 6 less than 7, it will be moved. And when J is 7, it will be broken. That means, can I say I'm copying 17, 20, 22 as it is to the resultant array? Am I right? Yes.
Yes.
But the scenario comes, see, in this scenario, I have taken, you might be asking a question, sir. In this scenario, A array is small, less size is small, B array size is more. But there may be a situation that A is more and B is small, correct? Yes or no? Yeah. So then, see, it doesn't matter for me, whichever the size is, see, in the while block, what am I doing? I am checking for A array size or B array size. If any of the condition is broken, it will come out. After that, can I say I will write the same condition for like this? I less than M, A of, say, if I write like this, so can I say, whichever, see, here, at any point of time, only one while block will be executed, correct? So it can be either A or it can be a B, right? Hope you understand. See, and the situation comes that A array can have a more element, B array can have a more element. But at any point of time, whenever my while block is broken, that means the possibility is only one array size is more. That can be A or that can be B. So what I'm doing, I'm writing a while condition. For example, in this scenario, already what is I value 5? 5 less than 5 is broken. Now J is copied and I still have the I condition. Say I value is 5. 5 less than 5. Is it true? False. That means it will not go. See, whenever I'm writing the code, even though if I'm writing the code, is it going inside the while block? No, because the while is wrong. So you have to write two while blocks. The reason for that is, in the given question, the size of the array might be, A array size might be more or B array size might be more. Correct? But we do not know. So you have to write a generic code. So that's the reason we have written two while blocks. Now, what this two-way merging should return? Array. So can I say here int array return type? Yes. Now what I should return? C. Can I say return C? Yes. Now how can I call this method from here? It's a static method. How can I call? So here it's a main is a static method. Can I should make this as a static method or create an object and then call, correct?
Write class name.
Yeah. If it is the same class, you don't need to write a class name as well. A comma B and then resultant int C equal to done. Now what I will do, I will try to print it. Arrays dot toString and then let me give the C and then print the data. Now let's run the program and see. Run as Java application. Now let me add, sorry, I did not add the sysout. Let me add the system.out.println. I'll get an array. If you print directly, you don't get the data. So that's the reason I'm calling the toString method. Run as Java application. Am I getting a output? See 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 17, 20, 22. Did I get the output?
Yes.
Yeah, this is so any questions? This is about a two-way merging. If I am giving 3 arrays, what do you guys do? You have to call this method twice, correct? So this is the beauty of a two-way merging. So now let's come back to the merge sort. Why the two-way merging is used in the merge sort? If in the interview, whenever they are asking to write a merge sort, what they give you the input? Can I say they will give you one array, correct? Array of numbers like this. So can I say they will give you the array like this, which is not sorted? Yes or no? Is it sorted?
No.
No. That means can the interviewer give you the array like this, and they will ask you to this is a not unsorted array. Can you use merge sort to sort this array? Correct? Yeah. So whenever they are asking you to explain the merge sort, the input is one sorted, non-sorted array. Okay. Now, so now you have to see what is the, so I told internally the merge sort uses a two-way merging, correct? So what is the prerequisite to apply the two-way merging? Two sorted arrays, correct? So the prerequisite to apply the two-way merging is two sorted arrays. But in the given question, how many arrays are there for you? Only one array, which is it sorted? No. That's the reason we'll see, in order to convert this into this one, what do? We do the divide conquer. Divide conquer. So divide conquer means we'll divide the array into two sizes. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what do we do? 0 plus 6 by 2, 3. So 0 to 3, one array, and 4, 5, 6 is another array. So here, is this sorted?
No.
0, 5, 3, 10. 1, 2, 15. So, or let us take, instead of 2, let us take 21 here. So easy. So right side is not sorted and left side is also not sorted, correct? So again,
Yes.
apply the divide conquer. Again, divide conquer apply. Divide means what? 0, 1, 2, 3. See, what is the lower element here? 0 plus 3 by 2. Sorry. Yeah, what is the anything? 0 plus 3 by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 2 is nothing but 1. So 0 and 1 will be one array. 3, 10 will be another array. Here 1, see here, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 by 2, 10 by 2, 5. So here, till 5, one array. And then this is another array, correct? So I'm splitting. Look at here, I'm splitting. Okay. So what element? 0, 5, 3, 10, 1, 21, 15. These are sorted. But if I'm give you the data like this, 5, 0, 13, 10, 21, 1, is it sorted? Still these elements are sorted. Leave about this 15. Is this sorted? No. Again, apply the divide conquer. If you apply the divide conquer, again, it will become individual elements, correct? 5, 0, 13, 10, 21, 1, and 15. Now, can I say, now all this array, see, what is the given array? One array. This given array, you are using the divide conquer algorithm. That means you are dividing into multiple arrays. Why are you dividing? Because I want to apply the two-way merging in the merge sort. The prerequisite for a two-way merging is the array should be sorted. So when you can say, can I say at this point of time, if I am splitting the given array into a individual elements, can I say it is sorted now? Am I right?
Yes.
Now that means when can someone guarantee that the arrays are sorted in the after applying the divide conquer? Until it becomes a individual arrays, correct? So that means using the divide conquer in merge sort, what do? You will divide the main array into a individual arrays. Then, since these are the individual arrays, can I apply the two-way merging? Yes or no? 5, 10, what 5, 0, what is the two-way merging output? 0, 5. 13, 10, what is the output? 10, 13, 21, 1, what is the output? 1, 21, and 15, done. Now, can I apply again two-way merging on top of this? This is one sorted array, this is a sorted array. 0, 5, 10, 13. Can I apply here also? 1, 15, 21, done. Can I apply the two-way merging again? See, 0, 1, 5, 10, 13, 15, 21. Is the array sorted now? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, this
Yes.
is about it. This is how the merge sort works. So that first I have explained the merge, like two-way merging. Now next we'll see that divide conquer. Now before that, let me show you something. I'm not something doing, guys. I'm just taking the merge sort Wikipedia. Okay. Now you just look at here, guys, the diagram. See, these are the elements. See, they are applying the divide conquer. See, again. So they'll apply the individual elements. Now, can I say now all the elements are becoming individual elements and they are sorted? See, they are applying the two-way merging. Look at here. Again, they are applying the two-way merging. So 8 and 7, they'll apply the two-way merging and they'll merge into one array. See, that means until the individual arrays it is done and then the two-way merging. Now let's look at here again. Two-way merging will be applied. See, 1, 3, 5, 6. It becomes a one array. Right? And 2, 4, 7, 8. It becomes another array. Right? Now again on top of these two arrays, again two-way merging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? 3 and 4. Likewise, that means each by element they are comparing and they're making the array, correct? So does it match with what I explained now? The given array is, so that means, see, this is a given array. The given array is not sorted. In order to make it sorted, you wanted to apply the two-way merging. How can you apply the two-way merging? The prerequisite is you need two sorted arrays. So how can you make that sorted arrays? By using the divide conquer algorithm, you are splitting the given array into individual arrays. Whenever the individual arrays comes, you know that it's a sorted. Then you are applying the two-way merging, correct? So divide conquer algorithm, I'll be taking that in the upcoming class. But today class, hope you understand what is a two-way merging and how can I write a program of two-way merging. Guys, can someone tell me yes or no? Do you want me to repeat anything?
No, sir.
Yeah. So guys, so I am taking currently one course on the data structures and algorithms. So we just started 4 to 5 classes are completed. So this data structures algorithm course I have divided into two parts. First one is first collections and then the algorithmic topics. In the collections, we are going to see what is a like internal implementation of array list. How can I create custom array list? What is the internal implementation of a hash map? How can I create linked list, stack, queue? See, you can see all of this. See, and we are going to see the hacker rank questions also. We're going to solve online. Like in the live class, I have written a program, right? Same way, throughout the course, I will be writing a program and I will be explaining all the data structure concept and collection topics. If you want, you can enroll for only collections, or if you want, you can enroll for entire data structures. Okay. So once the collection, see, in the collection workshop, we are going to discuss list, set, map, linked list, stack, queue, trees, tree set, tree map. This is the end of collection framework. Once this is done, we are going to see what is the time complexity, what is the space complexity, sorting techniques. When I say sorting techniques, bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort. Whatever I explained today, that's a part of merge sort. Same way, I will be explaining all the sorting techniques. And then we are also going to see what is the dynamic programming, what is the matrix implementation, graph, etc. Look at the coursing. Yeah. See, while discussing, we are also going to solve this hacker rank questions in the live class. See, we are also going to look at graph. What is the BFS means? Breadth first search, depth first search, dynamic programming, matrix implementation, pattern matching. See, for all these patterns, we are going to write printing. And apart from this, we are also going to see all these many programming questions. And we are going to see all these hacker rank, lead code, interview bit, these websites. We are going to solve the programs in the class. So the fee for this course is, if you want to enroll for a collection workshop, only 3,000, and the videos will be given 4 months access. And if it is a data structure live classes, 8,000 for live classes. For backup videos, if you want, 10,000, and you will have access up to 1 year. So the class is currently going. We just completed the demo classes. The timing of the course is morning 7:15 to 8:15. Okay. Now, and the duration is for the collections is 30 to 35 days. And data structure, entire collections and sorting, searching, dynamic programming graph, it's around 2.5 to 3 months. So I'll just ping you one link. If anybody is interested, can you please enroll that link? Just give me a minute. I'll paste the link. Does anyone has any questions on the course content? Any questions? You can unmute yourself and speak. So can guys, I am putting a link in the chat. Whoever is interested, can you please quickly fill this link? I just kept the Google form link in the chat. If you are interested, please fill the form. Okay. And apart from that, from this coming Wednesday, when I say coming Wednesday, the date is 28th. 28th, the coming Wednesday, I am taking a threats workshop. You know that threats is a difficult topic, right? So I'm going to take a threats workshop. In that, I'm going to discuss, even if you do not know what is a threat, nothing, no problem. I'm going to explain from scratch. What is a thread? What is a thread lifecycle? What is synchronization? What is the object lock? What is the class lock? What is the inter-thread communication? Difference between note, wait, sleep, wait, and wait, notify all wire in the object class. And we are also going to see executor framework. We are also going to see future interface, volatile keyword, deadlock, atomicity, reentrant lock, read write lock, semaphore, cyclic barrier, thread group, like blocking queue, producer consumer problem, Java 8 executive framework changes. So we are going to see all of the thread topics in a class. So this is another one which I'm going to start on 28th, the coming Wednesday. So in the Google form that whatever I have shared, this link is also there. So if you are interested, please say yes to that so that Ashok IT will contact you. And the fee for this course is 2,000 rupees only. And you will have a recording up to 6 months access. And the class timing is 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. And the duration of this course is 25 to 30 days. This is not yet started. It is going to start on coming Wednesday, which is 28th. So does anyone has any questions? Yeah, I can't hear you clearly. Can you please? There is some network issue. Yeah.
Yes, I have a question. Is it offline also available or not?
Online. It's an online batch.
Offline is also.
It is offline is not available, only online. I teach only in online because I am a working professional. I do not get time to teach in offline. Okay. So guys, I request you guys to please fill the Google form that I have shared in the chat. So this, are there any students who were part of my earlier batches? Anyone? Are there any students earlier batch of mine? They can provide a feedback how the course or how my teaching would be, if anyone. Okay, I think there were no previous my batch students. Okay, so whatever I teach, guys, I'll teach in a programmatic approach. You can see, you have seen today, right? So it is not only a workshop, no, everything like core Java, advanced Java, design pattern, data structures, Java 8, 9, 11 features, whatever I teach, I explain through the programming. And I have written notes which is not copied somewhere. I have written using a plain English. That is also will be shared with you guys. And whatever the programs I am writing in the class, that also will be shared with you all. So if you are wanted to join the threads workshop, the poster is yet ready. So it will be shared from in the WhatsApp groups. You can join. Let me try the poster also. Let me give him a minute. I'll share the poster as well. Yeah, this is a multi-threading poster, guys. If anybody is interested, you can enroll, join for this course. You can take a screenshot if you are interested. So from Wednesday, this course is going to start. Okay. And if you guys are interested for collections and data structures, the course is already going on. So all of you are whoever joined for this course, you'll be getting a email from the Ashok IT. In that, the demo videos will be there. You can watch the demo videos, and if you are interested, you can enroll. Yeah, Arun, was there a question? Abu, was there a question? Yeah. So if no question, that's all for today, guys. But if you are interested, you can join the threads workshop. And if you're interested, you can join the collections workshop and data structures class as well. Yeah. Thank you all. And in the next session, I'm going to explain the next part of the merge sort, which is nothing but a divide conquer algorithm. Okay. How do you guys like the today's class? Was it useful?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you learned something new?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. If no question, that's all, guys. Thank you all.
When next section is going to be there?
I could not hear you clearly. Can you come again?
When next section is going to be?
I will let you know. Maybe in the next Sunday or something. The new the poster will be shared to you shortly. Today is Sunday, right? The admin team is on holiday, right? Sunday, so they haven't shared it, but they'll share it soon. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.